And welcome back to all you speed enthusiasts. Today we are witnessing a classic battle where strategy and courage speak volumes. All eyes are on the starting line. Ryan and Andy on the front row, Zizi and Mia on the second. The engines are roaring and the rivalry is fierce between Zizi and Ryan. Turn 2, it's Mia's moment. She overtakes Andy in green. Mia is now running P3, and at turn 3, Mia and Andy are fighting. Mia pulls ahead, breaking news. Andy in the green car is heading into the garage. He needs a tyre change. That is a massive gamble, but the race goes on.
Zizi and Ryan are fighting with everything they have. Mia is chasing right behind them. Andy is back on the track, but he has a lot of ground to cover. Just meters to go. Yes! Zizi in white crosses the line. A magnificent victory. Ryan finishes second, and Mia secures the third spot.
Hello, hello, super energetic kids. How are you? I'm Zizi. Welcome to Zizi's studio. Did you like that super exciting race? Did you see how awesome the competition with Ryan was? Okay, today I'm gonna teach you a big secret. I'm gonna teach you how you and your friends can play with your toy cars, have a super exciting race, and make a cool rally stop motion animation. Are you ready? Bring your cars. Let's go learn how to make a track. We need some cardboard. You can make your track look like anything you want, like the letter S, or maybe like the number 0 or 8 rate. Any shape you love.
I'm gonna make mine like the round number 0. First, I'll draw a big circle. Then I'll draw a smaller circle inside it and cut it in half. Now it's time to color. Use markers, crayons, paint, whatever you have. I also need a piece of cardboard for the garage entrance, like this. Now we glue them together with white and red clay. We make tiny little rectangles and put them around the track, one by one. One white, one red.
Okay, now we need to build the garage. Make a rectangle, here are the fold lines, a half circle for the roof, and 2 squares to divide the parking spots.
We fold the first line, we put the half circle with the cut edges in for the roof, and glue the squares inside, like paint, to separate the spots. Now we cover the model with clay. We flatten the clay with a rolling pin and stick it onto the model. Now it's time for the spectators. Let's make the stairs. Cut them, fold them like a paper fan, and glue the corners to make strong. These are the stairs.
If you have small dolls, that's perfect. If not, come and I'll teach you how to make spectators. Get some white clay, a little red, a little yellow.
Mix. This is skin color. Now make a circle. Roll the bottom like I do to make it thin. This is the body. Now we take some black clay, roll it, cut it with scissors. These are the legs. Now make the body with green clay. Roll 2 more pieces of clay for the arms and attach them. Glue the shirt to the pants, put the head on, and make a hat with green clay, just like
Make a few of these spectators. Okay, now let's set everything up, put our trees down, and let's start a race together. First, our cars wiggle slowly in their spots. When the race starts, they speed up. They overtake each other. Hey, my car is in the lead.
No, Ryan's car is in the lead. Oh, the thrill. You play like this with your friends and have fun. Well, how was that? Did you have fun too? Go build a track and have lots of races with your friends. Enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and tell your friends. And hit that bell so you don't miss the next video. I'm gonna teach you how to make Santa Claus coming down the chimney with lots of gifts. Bye-bye.